Bees aren't just honey producers, they're some of nature's most impressive little creatures. Each one is tiny but packed with incredible abilities. Most of us think of bees as just insects that make honey, but their world is way more complex and surprising. For example, bees can see ultraviolet light. This means they can spot hidden paths in flowers that humans can't see. Flowers leave special signals for bees to guide them to nectar, and bees have evolved to pick up on these cues, making it much easier for them to find food. Bees are also amazing communicators. When a bee finds a new flower source, it tells the others by dancing. This dance communicates not just direction, but distance too. So one bee can basically say to the others, "Hey, there's a flower 200 meters that way." Scientists call this the waggle dance, and it's been studied for years because of how complex and precise it is. In cold weather, bees show incredible resilience. They vibrate their wings to warm the hive, keeping the inside around 34 to 35 degrees Celsius. Worker bees also huddle together to maintain warmth, which is essential for bees living in colder climates. Bees may be small, but they're incredibly strong. They flap their wings about 200 to 230 times per second, allowing them to move quickly and help keep the hive warm. They can even estimate the sugar content of nectar just by smell, so they rely on both visual and chemical cues to work efficiently. Queen bees are basically production machines. A queen can lay thousands of eggs per day, ensuring the colony keeps going. Worker bees only live a few weeks, but during that time, they maintain the hive, gather food, and care for the young. This system is considered one of nature's perfect organizational structures. Bees can also recognize each other. Even in a hive with thousands of bees, they can identify friends by face and smell, maintaining social order and division of labor. Plus, bees sting mostly in defense. When a honeybee stings, it often sacrifices its own life to protect the hive. The importance of bees in the ecosystem can't be overstated. About 75% of the world's fruits and vegetables rely on bee pollination. Without bees, many crops would drastically decline and ecosystems would suffer. These tiny creatures are truly nature's heroes and are essential for the balance of life. Learning about bees doesn't just show us how hardworking and smart they are. It also reminds us how fragile and interconnected nature really is. A small insect can influence a huge part of life on Earth. In conclusion, bees work not only to produce honey, but also to maintain the balance of nature, support ecosystems, and sustain their colonies. Protecting these little creatures is critical, not just for them, but for our future too. If you found these bee facts interesting, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in the next video with more amazing and surprising animals.